Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I'm Lisa, and today I have something a little different. I wanted to show you guys the bags that I carried this week in the order that they were carried, because it is part of the process of how I go through my bags in a week's time, because it depends on where I'm going, what I'm getting ready to do is when I change in and out of different bags for that week. But before I get into this video, I like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. And also, if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay guys, so before I started this recording of this video, I got a knock on the door from the post office. There was two bags that I got, excuse me, two bags that I have been waiting on. One bag was from Poshmark, and the other item was from I Love Dooney. And I ordered this I Love Dooney purchase April 1st, and I'm just now getting it almost 2 weeks later. All right, but I'm glad that it got here. So I think I'm going to do the bags that I wore in the order that I wore them first. All right, guys. So the first bag up is the Camden Pebble Tote. I wore this over my mom's house, and which was very interesting because we had a pizza party, me, my mom, and my aunt, and it was brought up that this bag may not look like a bag for me, that it doesn't look like something I would carry. However, I disagree because I purchased this purposely. I wanted it to be very, very neutral. I wanted a summer tote to be very, very neutral because I'm always, wearing colors, and most of the time I'm purchasing, I think, brighter colors when it catches my eye. I don't always buy bright colors, but what her statement was to me is that my bags have character, and this didn't seem like it had much character. So didn't purchase it for that. Just wanted to be, plain. I had it on with a trench coat, some gym shoes, and some skinny jeans, and a shirt. I was comfortable, and it looked cute to me. So this is the Camden Pebble Tote in the color taupe. See, I don't purchase a lot of neutral colors like this. So I definitely wanted something like that in my collection of this magnitude. So the second bag is the Seville Cali Hobo in the color oyster, and the reason she was carried is because when I was at my mom's, she passed this down to me, so I immediately changed into the Cali. I really enjoyed carrying her. She was a great carry, very comfortable, and I even got used to going in and out of the front pockets. So I really liked carrying this one. So that was the Seville Cali in oyster. Then the next bag that I carried, well, I want to say piece, or a small leather good, is the Millie Crossbody wallet. This was an on-the-go piece for me. So this has a crossbody strap. It has a wristlet strap, which opens up the zipper portion of this. So I carried some cards because there's some card slots in there, and I just needed to make a quick run to the grocery store. So I carried this one crossbody so I could be hands-free. and I was able to put my phone inside. Very nice piece. I'm glad I picked this up at I Love Dooney. Very nice on the go piece, and to wear with totes. So that matches because you have the red zipper here. So yes, I just got that idea, guys. I'm gonna wear these two pieces together. Okay, so the next item I wore, which remember I never changed out of this bag completely. I just took what I needed for the Millie Crossbody, and then I took what I needed for my Parker, Coach Parker, in the color red. Because I was going out celebrating a birthday, and I just wore this with some tennis shoes, some boyfriend jeans. I rolled up I cuffed them at the bottom, and I wore a blue and white button up shirt with a nice necklace, and this just set that off. I really enjoyed carrying her. I was able to wear my wristlet as a wallet and just a few items. Very comfortable to carry. I carried her in the double strap here, and she has a back pocket, so I kept my phone in the back pocket and my essential items in this inside of her. This Parker, I don't think I've ever shown you guys this, but yes, the Coach Parker in red was my evening bag and very comfortable to carry evening wise. I'm really enjoying purchasing these smaller items, especially when you go out and when you go to events. You don't have to worry about carrying big bulky bags. So that was what I carried out to dinner, was the Parker. Okay, and last but not least, as far as carrying, I carried my small Hattie crossbody, drawstring crossbody bag. I love this piece. I really love my Hattie. I've had her for a couple years now, and she's my grab and go. I'm not going anywhere where I need a whole lot of things, and I'm just carrying just necessities. So that's why I carried my Hattie, and that's why I carry her. And I have her mama on my wish list, the large Hattie drawstring. I just haven't decided what color I want. And I've been wanting that large drawstring for quite a while, especially since I got the small Hattie. I really enjoy carrying this. Now, I'm not sure if the Hattie, I can't remember if the strap is thicker than this one. I hope it's not, because I heard some stories about how the large Hattie slips off the shoulder. I have this on the shoulder option. I wanted to carry it shoulder. I didn't want to carry it crossbody. The crossbody strap is on the inside. So yes, this is my small black Hattie crossbody, drawstring crossbody bag. I really love how it's just kind of molded to how I carry her now. She used to be stiffer. Okay, so this is the one I actually have my stuff in, because this was my last carry of the week. Okay, so now let's get into what I got in the mail. All right, so my first item I got from Poshmark, and it is the Michael Kors large Kareem crossbody. It doesn't have a detachable strap. It has a thick crossbody strap. It has the charm attached to the zipper pull. This was brand new. It has a front zip pocket like the other Kareem satchel I have, where it has a little piece of the leather flapped over the zipper. I really like how that looks. Don't like the function of it, but I like the way it looks. It has a back pocket, and let's see what else. In the inside, she has a zipper pocket with the lined color, the leather lined on the pockets, and the zip and a slip pocket. Just one slip pocket there. So I'm really happy with this one. This was she sold this. It was brand new for $65. I couldn't resist. I know I said not another small bag, but here I am again with a smaller bag, even though this is the large crossbody. So this is gonna be nice for the summertime. I'm excited. And did I say it was pink grapefruit? The color, very pretty, really nice. Okay, so that was my Poshmark purchase. Now let's get into what I have been waiting on for a couple of weeks now, and it is the Monogram Zip Car Case with the DB initials on it, the signature. So I got this, guys, because the Greta wallets that I recently purchased, although they're smaller and more compact, they're kind of fat. So to wear with the smaller bags, they fit in the smaller bags. Don't get me wrong. But you know how you going in and out of your bags and you have to reposition everything back to where you had it. That's the problem you will have with it. So I wanted something way smaller. And this would match with the small dome satchel that I have. It only has 2 sections. So I probably would carry a coin case with this and just have a couple of cards and some money, especially if I'm carrying my smaller bag, because if I'm carrying my smaller bag, I'm purposely doing that because I don't want to carry nothing big and I don't need a whole lot of stuff with me, so that's why I purchased this one. I got this on sale on I Love Dooney. I'm glad I didn't have to complain about not getting this. And another reason why I got her is because I have the Monogram sack. So I have the small dome satchel in the Tote, and this is the Monogram sack in the Tote signature. And I really, really like this. And as you notice, I don't have the strap on her because she came with the I don't think it's in here. She came with the Camden strap, the regular shoulder Camden strap. But I took the crossbody strap off the small dome satchel and put it on this one. This came with the signature, and it is lovely crossbodied. I love it crossbodied. So definitely love this color. I'm glad I went on ahead and got it because look how big she is. She's about 6 inches deep, so that's why I'm able to wear her. She's in the coated cotton canvas. She has the front pocket here, and the lining is the linen, just like in the card case. The card case has a linen lining inside of it as well. And this flap over has this nice suede looking material. I don't know if that's suede or microfiber, but it's so buttery soft. It's so nice. And you can see the linen inside, the linen, and then they have the two pockets on that side, and then on this side it has the zipper pocket with the slip pocket inside. So I didn't have the strap on there, guys, but you know how we can interchange our straps sometimes depending on the bag, and I realized that they have that suede so that this would kind of, fold over. And I really like this bag. I really like this bag. My mom purchased this in the color ash. Yeah, that's a different color, but she likes it. It's like a light grayish color. So I'm really happy that I got my car case today to match my bag. This is going to match a few things. Doesn't necessarily have to be a wallet, but I could use it for a car case, just for what it is. But I will be probably using this like a small wallet, especially in my smaller bags. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I enjoy sharing my items with you, my bags of the week that I wore, in the order that I wore them, and then my 2 new pieces that I got in the mail today. So thank you guys. Until next time, bye.